The illegal wildlife trade is the collection of endangered species that are moved amongst countries or even states here in the United States. When we think of the illegal wildlife trade, the two most common animals we think of are rhinos and their horns, or elephants and ivory. But one of the animals that we forget to think about are turtles and tortoises. Over 50% of turtles and tortoises are endangered or extinct in the wild, and one of those main species that's probably one of the most illegally collected tortoises in the wild is the radiated tortoise. This is a species that over the past 30 years has had an 80% decline, only found in the southern parts of Madagascar. Right here at the Columbus Zoo, we work with an organization called the Turtle Survival Alliance. We work with this organization to help protect turtles and tortoises found throughout the world. Just this past year, over in Madagascar, Turtle Survival Alliance had a confiscation of roughly 10,000 radiated tortoises. Most of these tortoises were destined for the Asian markets. A lot of times over in the Asian markets, these animals are used in the pet trade, but they're also used as food or medicinal purposes. In June, the Columbus Zoo was able to send me over to Madagascar to work with these 10,000 tortoises. Side by side with other zoological specialists, we were able to do daily care for these animals. Along with a vet staff there that did any medical procedures that were needed done, we cared for these animals throughout the time period that I was there. Currently today, they've found a home with the Turtle Survival Alliance down in southern Madagascar in a protected site, one that folks cannot take these animals out of the wild. The radiated tortoise is one of my favorite species in the entire world. Working side by side with these guys, caring for them every day, we see the importance of this species found in Madagascar. Not only is it a cultural species, where many people in Madagascar think it's taboo to harm these animals in their home range, but it's also one that serves a better purpose. Protecting the radiated tortoise in the wild means protecting lemurs and other insects and reptiles and amphibians found throughout Madagascar. The wide variety of species that coincide in the same area, when we're protecting radiated tortoises, we can protect a lot of different species altogether. Even though the radiated tortoise lives over 9,000 miles away, there's ways that you can help endangered species right here in your own home. By going to your local zoo and supporting them, they can generate funds to help with conservation projects worldwide. The illegal wildlife trade is not just a global issue, it's a local issue also. Right here in Ohio, eastern box turtles' population has declined throughout the years. This species is also still collected from the wild and put illegally into the pet trade, either locally or even sent out internationally to other markets. There's ways for you to help the eastern box turtle right here in your own backyard by leaving them in the wild or helping them cross the road if you see them crossing the road. But if you feel the need to have one as a pet, do your homework. This is a species that is protected here in Ohio and many other states. But before you adopt one, please double check and make sure you understand the laws in your own area. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time so you can learn how to save the planet at home.